Hey guys, welcome to Worship the King. This is Eric Roberts, and today I'm going to be opening the iRig 2. And I'm doing this for a special reason because I am going to build a rig out of my iPad with the iRig 2. So I've got my iPad here, I'm going to open this iRig 2, and then I've got some really awesome things on the floor right here. Using the iRig, my iPad, and this MIDI commander, I'm going to be building an awesome rig, okay? Today I just want to focus on opening the iRig 2. I've seen this so many times online, and I've always thought, I want to get this thing. What is this thing all about? This thing looks really cool. And then when I found the MIDI commander and realized that I could probably just throw my iPad and this little MIDI commander in my bag, and I could be off to a gig or rehearsal or recording or whatever I want to do with any of the sounds that you can get. The technology is moving so fast. So we're going to open up the iRig right now. We're going to make this thing happen if I can actually get into the box. I don't like to destroy the box, so I want to keep the box sort of intact. I don't like to destroy it. But this is the iRig 2. It's going to be able to take our guitar, and we're going to be able to put our guitar into plug it right into this thing. Oh, look at this. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. This is really nice. Okay, so I've got the iRig 2, and I've got this what is this? IK made in Italy. Okay, look at these nice, okay, these are very, register your product, and you've got, you know, all the stuff like, all the things that we can do with this. Now this is a little bit older model. They have the iRig HD, and it was like $100. This one's like 39 bucks on Amazon, 35 or something, and it comes with the software. So that's why I'm going cheap. I'm not going for the very highest end gear right now. I'm trying to build like a simple solution. So I wanted to check this one out first. If I really love the sounds, if I really like what's going on, and I was gonna use this in a really highly pro mode where I was gonna be doing something, I might get the HD, but I wanted to kind of go with this. They also have the iRig 1, which is only $9.99. So think about that, $9.99. That's crazy. You can barely even get out of Starbucks for $9.99. So, all right, look at this thing. Oh yeah, it looks good, it looks pretty. It's got iRig 2 right here. I mean, that's basically it. It's real simple packaging, but it's, what just fell? Okay, real simple packaging, and it's got just basically, I'll show you, it's just the iRig. It's got the 2 inputs here, it's got an output here, and it's got this that we can put into our iPhone, or if you have the new iPhone, the annoying lightning cable or whatever, you can, I'm assuming we can use an adapter. So I'm gonna read this, if I can read this for you. This is a gain, shows you a gain and a through and an FX. So a gain and a through and an FX there. And the cool thing about this is you can plug your guitar into here, you can plug your headphones in there so you can listen. And the reason I bought this model, I think, over the iRig 1 is it actually has an amp out. So think about that. You could send this out to your amp or out to a recording device or whatever you wanna do. So you're hearing the tones coming out of your software into your amp or into, more likely, like a mixing board or something like that. So the iRig 2, very nice, very nicely packaged. And the cool thing about this is, the last thing I want to say, because I'm going to be setting all this up with the iPad, I'm going to be setting it up with the MIDI commander, and I'm going to have that coming out this month, showing you how I'm going to make this all work. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna rip my hair off on video, okay? I'll just rip my hair out because I want this to work. I was checking out online, and I'm probably gonna use Bias Effects, but they got Amplitude Mesa Boogie, Amplitude Orange. They got all these different things. They got, you can connect a guitar, headphones, and you can use iOS and Android devices. And this little package here for 39 bucks does come with some things. It comes with, and you can read it on the Amazon link. I'm gonna put those links right there in the description for you, so you could actually get this for yourself if you like it. But you might wanna stand by and just wait and see exactly what it sounds like, because I've been playing the guitar a long time, and I've played all kinds of rigs. I've played live amp rigs, I've played all the, you know, all the new Line 6 rigs, I've played all the old stuff. I've just plugged into a bunch of amps, and I've used software stuff in my old Pro Tools rigs, and I've been pretty impressed with the tones we get. And a lot of guys are just going to these Kempers, but I wanted to do sort of like a lower cost, really easy to kind of take with you, solution that is iPad based. So that is the goal of this thing. I know that I can just plug into anything. I know I can use the MIDI commander here I can use that for controlling anything I want to, but I really wanted to bring to you guys and to explore if I take an iPad and a simple little small. The MIDI commander is, I've showed it to you guys in other videos, but it's very small, it's tiny. So your iPad is right here, and you got your iPad right here, and you've got your MIDI commander here. So you could just stick this in your bag right there like that, and you could be cranking everything you need right here. Now, I carry a huge pedal board and amp and all this other stuff to church with me. If I just want to go to rehearsal, or if I just want to have something in my studio to jam with, I think this is going to be a good solution. So I took the inexpensive iRig 2, about 40 bucks on Amazon, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to hook it all up, because I'm sure I'm going to have some issues and I don't want you to have that too. So give me a like, a share, subscribe to the channel. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know. This is the iRig, and I think it's just plastic. I mean, it's not like it's like if I throw it around, it's not like metal. It's just a very simple little plastic thing. Let's see if this thing can pull out some killer tone.